Nara, good afternoon. For the week 2 weekly home learning plan, Thursday again is our distribution and retrieval from 7 to 8 a.m., 8 to 12. On Friday, we are in the milk tree learning competencies. Represent the absolute value of a number on a number line as the distance of a cardinal of a number from 0. Milk 4 learning competencies. Perform addition and subtraction of integers using model of or chips. So, home instruction, read and understand the following from your pivot for a math module. Lesson about absolute value. See illustrative example 1 to 4 on page 13 and 14. Lesson about absolute value in addition and subtraction of integers, page 14. See illustrative example 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on pages 14 and 15. Answer learning task on page 16, letter A. Add the following, and letter B, subtract the following. Write your answer in an intermediate paper. Don't forget to write your name and section, quarter 1 and week 2, learning task number 2 and page number 2. On Saturday, learning area culmination, watch video lesson on YouTube, DepEd TV link, http bit.ly, DepEd BA lectures. On Monday, Milk 5 learning competencies illustrates the different properties of operations on the sets of integers. Milk 6 learning competencies express rational numbers from fraction form to decimal form and vice versa. Instructions: read and understand the following from your pivot for a math module. Lesson, properties of operation, page 17 to 19. Read and understand properties of operation, addition and subtraction on page 17 and 19. After reading, answer learning task 2, 1 to 10 items on page 19. Lesson about rational numbers, pages 20 to 22. Read and understand rational numbers from fraction form to decimal form and vice versa on page 20. Write your answers in an intermediate paper. Don't forget to write your name, section, quarter 1, week 2, learning task number and page number. Tuesday, you're going to answer your summative test number 2 correctly. So, answer summative test number 2 on one whole sheet of paper. Wednesday, you're going to answer your performance task number 2 correctly. Answer your performance task number 2 on a short bond paper. Okay. That's it for week 2. For week 3, weekly home learning plan for week 3, Thursday again is retrieval and distribution. Friday, Milk 7. Learning competencies, performs operations on rational numbers. Milk 8, learning competencies, describes principal roots and tells whether they are rational or irrational. Milk 9, learning competencies, determine between two integers the square root of a number is. Instructions: read and understand the following from your pivot for a math module. Lesson, rational numbers, page 20 to 22. See examples on page 21 to 22. Lesson about square roots, page 24 to 25. See illustrative examples 1, 2, 3, and 4 on page 24 and 25. After reading, answer learning task number 2, letter A and letter B on page 27. Write your answers in an intermediate paper. Don't forget to write your name and section, quarter 1, week 3, learning task number and page number. On Saturday, week 3, Learning area culmination, you are going to watch video lesson or YouTube DepEd TV link, http bit.ly DepEd BA lectures. Okay. On Monday, MELC 10, learning competencies, estimate the square roots of a whole number to the nearest hundredths. Learning competencies, MELC 11, plot irrational numbers up to square roots on a number line. Instructions, read and understand the following from your playbook for a math module lesson, square roots, pages 24 to 26. See illustrative examples 5 and 6 on page 25 and 26. 3 illustrative examples 7 on page 26. Then after reading, answer learning task 2, letter C, letter D on page 27. MELC 11, write your answer on the intermediate paper. Don't forget to write your name, section, quarter 1, and week 3, learning task, and page number. Tuesday, you're going to answer your summative test number 3 on the one whole sheet of paper. Wednesday, you're going to answer your performance task number 3 on the short band paper. For week 4, Thursday again, retrieval and distribution. Friday is learning MELC 12, learning competencies. Illustrate the different subsets of real number. MELC 13, learning competencies. Arrange real numbers in increasing or decreasing order. MELC 15, learning competencies. Represent real life situations which involve real numbers. Instruction, read and understand the following from your pivot for a math module learning lesson, real numbers, pages 29 to 30. Read and understand the subset of real numbers on page 29 and 30. See illustrative examples 1 and 2 on page 31. See illustrative example 4 and 5, real life situation which involve real numbers on page 32. After reading, answer learning task 2. Letter A, true or false, and B, arrange sets of real numbers on page 33. Write your answer in the intermediate paper. Don't forget to write your name, section, quarter 1, and week 4 learning task number and page number. On Saturday, you're going to watch lesson or YouTube DepEd TV link, http bit.ly DepEd BA lectures. Monday, MELC 14, learning competency, write the scientific notation of very big numbers and very small numbers and vice versa. Enabling competencies, identify the significant figures in a given number, describe numbers in a specific scientific notation, write numbers in a scientific notation, and vice versa. Instructions, read and understand the following from your pivot for a math module lesson, scientific notations, page 35-36. See illustrative example 1. Write scientific notation of a very big number on page 35. Illustrative example 2. Write a scientific number of very small number on page 36. And illustrative example 3 and 4, write scientific notation in decimal form on page 36. Then after reading, answer learning task 2, letter A and letter B on page 37. Write your answer in an intermediate paper. Don't forget to write your name and section, quarter 1, week 1 learning task, week 4 learning task number and page number. Tuesday, answer your summative test number 4 on a one whole sheet of paper. Wednesday, answer your performance task on a short band paper.